Welcome to the sixth video in a series that details my attempt to complete two of the most prestigious bicycle races in South Africa, the Cape Epic Mountain Bike Stage Race and the Cape Town Cycle Tour. The Cape Town Cycle Tour is a 109-kilometer road race around the beautiful peninsula south of Cape Town. I realized during my participation in the 2021 Cape Town Cycle Tour that there are so many great aspects of the race route that I would like to share that I would not be able to include everything in one short little video. I have decided to create a series of videos to describe the route in more detail. In the preceding 5 videos, I described the challenges of getting to the start line and the route from the city center to the Kalk Bay coast.
Okay, that's good for now. Thank you.
In this video, we start with the exit from the St. James underpass and then make our way down to the historical fishing village of Kalk Bay along the Kalk Bay coast. So this is the much anticipated Kalk Bay harbour town on the coast of Kalk Bay. You can see there's lots of fishing boats out in the harbour. The weather today is absolutely perfect, the same as it was on the day of the race. The scenery is incredible. I just can't help smiling and just totally loving it. Kalk Bay derives its name from the Dutch word lime. The lime in this area was manufactured by the locals by burning the huge deposits of mussel shells that have been deposited over the centuries. The actual harbour wall was then built with the lime created in this process. The harbour wall was first constructed in 1913, and the harbour was established to shelter fishing vessels from the strong currents and winds within the Kalk Bay. The fishing heritage of Kalk Bay persists, and you are able to purchase longline fish, prawns and crayfish as they are unloaded from the local fishing vessels. You may also purchase freshly prepared fish and eat with the locals in the restaurant called Kalkies, which was established within the boundaries of the harbour by the Rosland family. Peruse the crafts and souvenirs produced by the locals from colourful beads and flexible strands of wire.
Kalk Bay has got its own unique character.
Beyond the walls of the harbour, the town also has many attractions, which include museums, galleries, antique stores, craft stores, and many restaurants.
Very laid back kind of character with lots of arty kind of restaurants and bars and antique places, just lots of things that you can do here. You can spend the whole day just exploring it. If there's going to be one place in Cape Town that you've got to come to, it's got to be Kalk Bay. As far as the race is concerned, this is going to be 3 kilometers down from St. James, and once again it's fast, it's flat, it's narrow, so you're going to spend all your time concentrating on just trying to stay on the road. You're not going to have any time to enjoy this beauty, so you've got to come back. You've got to make sure that after the race you get on your bike and actually come back and enjoy this aspect of Cape Town.
The front riders of the cycle tour will pass through the town of Kalk Bay, chasing the Strava segment called Kalk Bay Climb at a speed in excess of 60 kilometers per hour and in about 20 seconds. At that speed, you are unlikely to be able to appreciate the beauty of this town, and therefore you are invited to return to Kalk Bay and spend some time exploring its many sights and tastes. Join us in the 7th video as we proceed to the historical town of Fishhoek, which is the next landmark along the coast that you will encounter while riding the Cape Town Cycle Tour. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. If you would like to see future videos of the Cape Town Cycle Tour and related cycling activities, please subscribe to this channel. Let me know in the comments if you have visited Kalk Bay and what your experience has been. Until the next time, cheers.